Hello, today we will explore the world of the lucky god. Their story reminds us of the importance of being careful in our work. Good luck, and let's get started. This guy really went all out and installed a powerful turbo engine into his chainsaw, taking performance to a whole new level. From this footage, it seems like the tree rolled over the man. He must have been very lucky that it caused no harm to him. Situations like these could have ended much worse, and safety and logging work should always be a top priority. This is a clear reminder that wearing appropriate safety gear is absolutely essential for any job, especially dangerous ones like this. Hopefully, he didn't get too many stings from the swarm of bees, but it's an important lesson on the significance of proper preparation and protection before starting any task. This is a classic example of the kind of results you can get when attempting to handle tasks on your own without the right expertise or preparation. It shows how crucial it is to have the proper knowledge and gear before tackling potentially dangerous work. As these men tried to pull the falling tree in their intended direction, nature had other plans. Instead of following their expected path, the tree veered off course and ended up crashing onto their client's car. This unfortunate incident highlights the unpredictability and dangers of tree cutting, especially when proper planning, expertise, and equipment are lacking. It's a costly mistake that could have been avoided with a more professional approach. That second car was truly lucky to escape unharmed. Moving quickly enough to avoid the crash, a timely reaction, and a bit of luck may have saved the day in this case. This is a clear testament to the importance of alertness and reflexes in dangerous situations.
If you're gonna be dumb, you gotta be tough. When you get knocked down, you gotta get back up.
I can't imagine anything more terrifying than facing a leopard in a tree. In such a situation, the best approach is to remain calm, avoid direct eye contact, and slowly back away without making any sudden movements. It's definitely a scenario most people hope they never have to encounter. What would you do if you were in that situation? When working with trees, you must always be prepared for the unexpected. In this case, after being cut, instead of falling in the intended direction, the tree began to fall toward them. Situations like this can become dangerous in a split second, requiring quick reflexes and careful backup plans to ensure safety. Beavers are truly among nature's most skilled lumberjacks. This little guy can take down an entire tree, which is both fascinating and amusing to watch. With such talent, he definitely deserves a place of honor in the animal kingdom's logging community. It's interesting to see that some beavers gnaw on trees not only to strengthen and sharpen their teeth, but also because their teeth continuously grow and need regular grinding to maintain functionality. Remarkably, some beavers seem to do it just to challenge themselves, or perhaps as an instinctual form of fun. Just looking at this incredible piece of artwork crafted on a tree, it's clear that some individuals possess extraordinary talent and an incredible amount of patience to bring such visions to life. The level of detail and craftsmanship is truly astonishing, inspiring, and sparking endless imagination. It must have taken countless hours to complete this masterpiece, which only deepens our admiration. This is a wonderful reminder of the beauty that can emerge from creativity and dedication. Truly, nothing quite compares. Did you notice how skillfully he brings us all back? That truly highlights the expertise and precision of a professional. It's a relief that the man didn't fall. Things could have ended much worse, but fortunately, he remained safe. This serves as a reminder of the inherent dangers in this kind of work and the importance of always staying focused and prioritizing safety in every situation. In this moment of chaos, an overloaded truck attempted to cross a bridge that was clearly not designed to handle its weight. Just as it was about to make it across, the bridge collapsed. This is a stark reminder of the importance of assessing the load capacity of structures before putting them to use. Watch as this man cuts down a dangerous tree near his house. Just from the footage, it's clear that this situation could have easily led to an accident. However, through what appears to be quick thinking and careful maneuvering, he managed to minimize the damage. This is a great example of skill and focus in high-risk situations. The logging profession is full of surprises, and unexpected situations are almost inevitable in this line of work. However, staying calm under pressure and effectively managing the challenges that arise are what truly define a skilled and experienced professional. This is what sets apart an ordinary logger from a true expert. You might wonder why a helicopter is used for this type of work. The main reason is that it's fast, efficient, and significantly reduces the risk of accidents or electrocution compared to manual methods. This is especially crucial in areas near power lines, where the danger of electric shocks or infrastructure damage is extremely high. The helicopter allows the job to be done safely and precisely, minimizing risk to the greatest extent possible. This poor cow is in a tough spot, with its horns tightly stuck in a tree. The owner is clearly concerned and doing everything possible to free the animal from its tight predicament. In this heartwarming yet suspense, these men happened to come across a wasp nest on the tree they were about to work on and wisely decided to remove it before proceeding. Just imagine the chaos and danger if they hadn't noticed it in time. Disturbing a wasp nest while cutting down a tree could unleash an aggressive swarm, leading to painful stings and potentially serious injuries. This smart and quick decision helped them avoid a potentially hazardous accident. With this machine, cutting wood becomes incredibly easy and efficient, eliminating the need for manual labor. It saves time while ensuring excellent precision and accuracy, making the job faster and much safer. Watch as this man skillfully takes a more efficient approach to his work. Instead of waiting for the leaves to dry and fall naturally over time, he uses a blower to remove them from the tree all at once. This not only saves him from having to return multiple times for the same task, but also demonstrates how using the right tools can make the job faster and more manageable. This is a great example of working smarter, not harder. This machine is specifically designed to handle tree stumps more efficiently and with minimal disruption. Instead of uprooting the stump from the ground, it uses powerful blades to gradually cut into the wood, chipping it away until it can be easily removed or completely ground down. This is an innovative solution that minimizes soil disturbance and saves time, making stump removal both effective and practical. Watch as this man skillfully saws through the log with incredible precision. His technique is so refined that when you see the smooth, clean surface of the wood after the cut, it's hard to believe it was done with just a chainsaw. This is a true testament to his expertise and steady hands, proving that with the right skills and focus, even a chainsaw can deliver results comparable to professional-grade machinery. Truly impressive craftsmanship. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to get all our latest updates. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next videos.